Hello. So in this tutorial we will see more on strings. Okay. So I am defining this line. Okay. Let me just run this here. Okay. Now I am running this string. So this is a line 16 size string. Okay. Line is a variable. Now this function line.split, what it does, it actually split the delimiter into a list of substring. Okay, now if I run this, let's copy. So I run this, so you will find that okay, it split the into list of substrings basically AAA, BBB, CCC, DD. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if I want to know what is this variable, what is the type of this variable, so let's say z equals to this. So you will find that z is what is now a list, okay, of size 4 with these elements. Okay, now if I run this spam, so spam is there. Now in s.upper, so it will make the uppercase letters. If I run this, you will get this spam. All the small converted to upper. And then we have a content test is alpha is digit is there. So is alpha means let's first of all run this. So true. Means it contains some these words basically. So that is why it is saying true. Right? So this is now again if I define this line, so this is the line string 17 character. Okay, I added this actually. I added this. So this line dot strip is basically, if I run this, now what is this line? Line, if I will see, now line becomes this thing. Okay, so it removes the white space character on the right side, this function line dot r strip. Okay, now what, this is the line, so you can see this has been removed. Okay, now this function, see this function, if you run, so you will get actually see x as it is. Then this percentage as basically means you are putting spam and this spam instead of first s and then small s, this other s. So spam, x and spam. Okay, similarly this thing is there. See, so x in second place, 0 and 1 is there, dot format. So spam first, and for 1 this big spam with this sign symbol is there, hyphen symbol, sorry, not inverted symbol. So these things are there. So with the help of this you can manipulate or do some operation on strings. Okay, now if you see here, okay, let's do this in second one.